Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate a project in Asana, step by step. If you ever need to create a fresh version of an existing project, maybe to reuse a structure you've built, or to kick off a recurring workflow without starting from scratch, this tutorial will give you the confidence and know-how to do it quickly and correctly. By the end, you'll be able to set up repeatable projects in Asana with ease, saving time and keeping your work organized. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Asana. You can do this on your browser or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. The process is pretty much the same. It's important to make sure you're signed into your account and in the right workspace, especially if you juggle multiple teams or organizations. Once you're in Asana, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see the Projects section. This is like the main filing cabinet for all your work. Click there and browse through your projects until you spot the one you want to duplicate. If your list is long, don't forget you can use the search bar to find it by name. Now, here's a key moment. Click on the project itself. That'll open it up so you can see all the tasks, details, and the structure that you've built out. Make sure you're in the right project. It's easy to accidentally click the wrong one if you're moving fast. So double-check things like the title or any unique colors or icons you've added. At the top of the project screen, right beside the project title, you'll notice a little button labeled Actions. This can look like 3 dots or a small drop-down, depending on your version of Asana, but it's always near the top. Click on Actions, and you'll see a menu pop up with various options. Look for Duplicate in this list and select it. And don't worry, choosing Duplicate here won't immediately copy everything. It's just letting Asana know what you'd like to do next. Once you've clicked Duplicate, Asana does something really helpful. It gives you a menu of choices for duplicating. You might see checkboxes for things like tasks, assignees, due dates, and even attachments. Here's where you get to customize your new project. For example, maybe you want the template and the tasks, but not the completed dates or assignees. This is the time to pick and choose exactly what you want included. It's a bit like deciding whether you want to bring all the old furniture or just the layout to a new house. Take a moment to read through these options and make selections based on what fits your workflow best. If you're unsure, it's totally fine to experiment. You can always tidy up your duplicate later. After you've made your choices, just click the button that says Duplicate Project. This part might take a few moments, especially if the project is large or has lots of tasks attached. Let Asana work in the background. You'll see your new duplicated project appear in the sidebar when it's ready. Open it up and double-check that everything transferred the way you wanted. You can now rename it, add new team members, or start customizing without disturbing your original project. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a project in Asana. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like and consider leaving a comment below if you have any questions or run into any hiccups. I'm here to help. And make sure you hit subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.